Hey everybody, Chris here. So we've got huge Dogecoin profits coming soon. We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And during live streams, we do talk a lot about patience. That's right, having patience in the crypto market, because if you get frustrated because your coin isn't moving and you're just going to dump it and go chase something else, it's probably already mooning, you're FOMOing in and maybe buying that one at the top. That's not a recipe for making profits. So I know, again, Dogecoin isn't moving like some of the other memes are, but does that mean that it's not going to eventually? Yes, that's what we're looking at. So let me show you the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So the Dogecoin chart shows us 16.5 cents. That's where we are again. Another attempt up at 17, rejected again last night by Doge, as Doge is still in this sort of mid to upper 16-cent range. We look back at the 4-hour chart and we see Dogecoin is still in this upwards purple channel that we've been talking about now for the past week and a half. We are still seeing higher lows. That's right, higher lows is a good thing, even though I know you're frustrated that Doge isn't up here in the 17s, 18s right now. But this is an overall market trend, and we've been talking about Doge. Is it meme or is it mainstream? And right now, Doge is looking more like mainstream, as it does follow more of what Bitcoin is doing. It's interesting that Doge followed Bitcoin up for a bit, but then Bitcoin turned right and just went sideways. So Doge has actually been outperforming Bitcoin here for the past week, and we can even look at the Doge Bitcoin trading pair, and we can see that there is an upward trend here in the trading pair between Doge and Bitcoin. But we know there are others that have outperformed. We have this Brett thing that's moving now, but Pepe already went on a run. We talked the other night about Pepe at 170 taking profits. It's now down to 150. So profit taking in Pepe, profit taking in Floki. SHIB is now starting to wake up and starting to make a move. And Doge is just hanging out with Bitcoin. Again, same over the past 24 hours, exactly the same as Bitcoin now. So that's kind of what we see overall in the market. But what about Doge? What about Doge? Michael Vanderpop, he tweeted this morning. Meme coin fiesta continues as Whiff, Bonk, Floki, and Bohm, that's the book of meme, waking up intensively. The easiest play of them all isn't moving yet. Doge. I think that's a safe bet to have in this cycle. He didn't mention SHIB here because SHIB is waking up. I think we're seeing an uptick in trading volume on SHIB. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a little bit. But Michelle is saying here, look, it isn't moving yet. Safe bet to have, because we know Doge will move eventually, and when it does, it's going to be epic. So Dogecoin encounters bullish trends, 16.6 surge despite market dip. So yeah, hanging around, mid 16s. Again, it's following the broader market trend is what Dogecoin is mirroring right now. So we had a price increase last week and it faded at 17 cents. And so we've seen this sort of consistent bumping up against 17 number of times, which we even had back here, back at the beginning of May. Again, couldn't quite get over 17. Then now we do see bits and pieces coming up over 17, but then getting rejected. But again, we're still in this upward trend. So this Dogecoin price headed to 20 cents, rising wedge pattern signals an imminent move. And so so this is someone's drawing a wedge. Mine's more of a channel. But again, the same kind of sentiment as we are seeing these higher lows as Doge is moving up. So is Dogecoin ready to double its value, key resistance levels are in focus. Of course, we know that 17-cent one is key. But here's Ali. And here's his tweet in bigger pictures, looking into the block. Dogecoin is encountering significant resistance between 16.6 and 17.1, where 75,500 addresses have acquired nearly 10 billion Doge. However, once this barrier is overcome, Doge has the potential to double, with the next key resistance around 32.2. So it's getting over this big red circle here, this big resistance for Doge, and then Doge has the potential of moving up much more quickly. Dogecoin poised for 700% explosion to $1.17 amid recovery in major metrics. Again, this is about, we talked about this parabolic move upcoming for Dogecoin last week, as Mags showed on his chart. He's just saying this is this big 7x that is coming for Doge. But he's not the only one who's saying it. Captain Toblerone predicts that Dogecoin will still experience a 30% price crash, drop to around 10.8 before it makes its own parabolic move. I don't think we're seeing anything. Again, I said this the other day. I don't think we're going down to 10.8. I don't think we're going to 11 cents or 12 cents or 13 cents even. Doge is not showing a huge drop like that. Again, unless the whole crypto market does this big drop. But from there, Captain Toblerone, a more bullish prediction stating that Dogecoin could make a 1,300% rally overall, going back to its low in the bear cycle, and then rise to as high as $1.50. So this is what we're looking at, is longer term, when Dogecoin does go on its big run, which we have to be patient for and we have to wait for, but that's what we're looking at going forward. Will Dogecoin market cap surpass Ripple in June? Let's take a look at what our market caps look like here. Let me refresh this and get this up to the latest. 23.8 billion for Doge, 29.3 for XRP. So it's less than 6 billion difference there. So we could see Doge overtake Ripple here on a next big run up. That is coming. JD says, you're looking at the bigger picture again. Doge MACD cross on the 2-month chart. The last time MACD crossed was followed by a Doge 300% increase in price, 300x. So again, here's the crossover we had on the MACD, and we're experiencing that crossover again as Doge has turned around and is in an upward trend. This could be the breakout coming that we're looking for. Watch out for hate comments from dumb money who got wrecked the last time. Do not miss out. We will make sure to take calculated profits again on top of dumb money. So talk about profits in the fall. That's when we'll have those discussions. Right now, it's that patience waiting for these big green candles. Again, it happened again back in 2017, again late 2020 into 2021, and here we are in 2024, poised and ready for a big run. So Doge or SHIB, which will gain more profits this June, and as I've been saying, both are going to run. SHIB is starting to show signs now with its trading volume that it could actually run first. Doge would follow, but Doge goes on its own based on its own catalysts, and so we could see that. So again, Doge is moving up in this pattern. This chart again is showing a much bigger kind of triangle pattern here for Doge. again, same thing. I've got it as a channel in a shorter time frame here. Again, Doge is moving up, is showing positive move. And SHIB had just been going sideways here, but is starting to curl up with SHIB. So this could be the start of a momentum for SHIB that could cause it to move up as well. And again, I don't pick one over the other. Like I say, right? I want everybody to make money no matter what coins you're in. Let's all get rich, right? Let's all get wealthy. Let's see it all go up. But do watch SHIB, because SHIB is going to make its run as well. But for Doge here, again, I know you guys are like, why isn't Doge moving? Getting frustrating. Again, this is patience and waiting for the moment when Doge is going to strike, to be ready for that. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this upcoming move for Dogecoin? Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.